Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show how to make egg kabab easy method. Begin by boiling eggs until firm, peeling, and mashing them. Next, mix spices, herbs, and a binder like breadcrumbs or mashed potato for consistency. Shape into patties and chill briefly to firm up. Cook in a lightly oiled pan until golden and crisp on each side. Serve hot with chutney or yogurt for a warm, satisfying bite. In this video, I will show how to make egg kabab easy method. Measure and prepare all ingredients before starting to keep the process smooth. Mash eggs thoroughly to avoid large chunks and ensure even mixing. Stir in breadcrumbs, onions, and spices until mixture binds together when pressed. Adjust seasoning to taste and refrigerate for 10 minutes to help patties hold shape. This small prep step makes cooking faster and results more consistent. In this video, I will show how to make egg kabab easy method. Quick recommendation: the Owala water bottle is great for staying hydrated while you cook, and it fits in most cup holders. It keeps water cold and has a spill-proof lid, which is handy when moving between stove and prep area. If you want one, check the description for the link and other deals, and if this helped, please subscribe and like. Now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will show how to make egg kabab easy method. Heat a non-stick skillet with a thin layer of oil and keep temperature moderate. Gently place patties and avoid overcrowding to maintain crisp edges. Flip once when the underside is golden and cook the other side until evenly browned. Transfer to a rack or paper towel to remove excess oil, then rest for a minute to let flavors settle. Serve warm for best taste and texture.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.